definition of force. Force is a push or pull applied on a body which changes or tries to change its state of rest or motion. Effects of force. Force can move a body at rest. Force can stop a moving body. Force can change the speed of a body. Force can change the direction of motion. Force can change the shape of body. Types of force: contact force and non-contact force. Contact force: these are forces that act between two objects that are physically touching each other. The non-contact force: these are forces that can act between two objects without them physically touching each other. Contact force is friction, resistance, tension, and applied force. Non contact force: gravity, magnetic force, or electrostatic force. Contact force. First, friction. Friction is a force that happens when two surfaces rub against each other. It's like a strictly force that can make things harder to move smoothly. Example: pushing a heavy box is harder than pushing a lighter box because of friction between the box and the floor. Resistance. Resistance is a force that happens when something tries to slow down or stop another thing from moving. Example: a paraglider stays in the air because of air resistance. The wind pushes against the paraglider and creates the force. Tension force. Tension force is a type of force that happens when an object is pulled in opposite directions by two forces. For example, swinging on a swing creates tension in the rope or chain holding the seat up, keeping the swing suspended and allowing the person to swing. Applied force. Applied force is when one object pushes or pulls on another object. It happens when you use your muscles to push or pull an object in a certain direction. For example, when playing soccer, a player uses their foot to push the ball with force, making it move in the air. The harder the player kicks the ball, the stronger the force they apply. Non-contact force. Gravity. Gravity is a force that pulls objects towards each other. It is what keeps us on the ground and what makes things fall down. For example, when you jump on a trampoline, you come back down because of gravity. Gravity is a force that pulls things towards the ground. Magnetic force. Magnetic force is a type of non-contact force that acts between magnets or magnetic objects. For example, a magnet crane is a machine that uses a strong magnet to pick up metal objects. When the magnet is turned on, it creates a magnetic field that attracts the metal objects. Electrostatic. Electrostatic force is the force between two objects that have an electric charge, like charges repel, opposite charges attract. For example, lighting is caused by a buildup of electrical charge in the air that suddenly discharges, creating a big flash of light and loud thunder. Thank you.